Hello everyone. I am Dr. Nilanjana Bhattacharya Nath from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science. Today, I would like to talk about the Drosophila melanogaster as a model organism. This video will focus on its life cycle, sex determination, and the genome of Drosophila. So we all know Drosophila melanogaster is a common fruit fly. Fruit fly Drosophila has been extensively studied for over a century as a model organism. But why Drosophila? What makes it such a good model? First, short life cycle. Second, easy to culture and its maintenance. Low number of chromosome, third point. And last one, that is very important, its small genome size. So first topic under Drosophila, that is its life cycle. Female fly about 3 mm in length will lay 750 to 1500 eggs in her lifetime. The total life cycle of Drosophila takes 12 days to complete at about 25 degrees centigrade temperature, that is more or less our room temperature. After fertilization, embryo emerges approximately 24 hours and embryo undergoes successive molds to become first, second and third instar larva followed by pupal stage. In pupal stage, metamorphosis takes place followed by the emergence of adult fly. So this is the life cycle, and the second important and unique feature of Drosophila is its sex determination. So normally we know that for our human sex determination process, there are two sex chromosomes, X chromosome and Y chromosome play crucial role. But the sex determination of Drosophila is totally different from human sex determination, and the process is known as genic balance theory. As the inventor Bridges first discovered the process, the total process is named as Bridges genic balance theory. And the sex determination of Drosophila is totally dependent on the ratio of X chromosome and the autosome. That is total number of X chromosome divided by total number of autosome. If the ratio is equal to 1, then the fly is a normal female fly. If the ratio is half, that means 0.5, the fly is a normal male. If the X by A ratio is above 1, that means 1.33 or 1.5, then that is a meta female. If the ratio is below 0.5, that means 0.33, then the fly is a meta male. So both meta female and meta male, they are phenotypically male and female, but they both are sterile. And last one, that is if X by A ratio is 0.66, then the fly is intersex. So in Drosophila, Y chromosome is not involved in determining sex. It contains genes active in forming sperms in adults only. And in Drosophila and other insects also, we can observe an unique feature, that is gynandromorph. The animals in which certain part of body are male and some part of the body contains female features. This can happen when an X chromosome is lost from one embryonic nucleus. So what will happen? Suppose the left part of the body parts of the fly, it has XX chromosome, it is showing the female characteristics, and right side of the flies, it has XO and it is showing the male characteristics. That is the unique feature of Drosophila as well as all types of insects. Last part is genome. Normally Drosophila has 3 sets of autosome and 1 pair of sex chromosome, and above them 20% sequence is genic, which contains more or less 14,000 gene, which is extensively visible heterochromatic region. The Drosophila genome sequence was published in 24th of March 2000. The researchers reported that they have sequenced 97 to 98% of the genome and perhaps 99% of the estimated 13,600 genes. The Drosophila genome is approximately 180 MB in size, a third of which is centric heterochromatin. The 120 MB of euchromatin is on two large autosomes and the X chromosome. The small fourth chromosome contains only approximately 1 MB of euchromatin. The heterochromatin consists of mainly short, simple sequence elements repeated for many megabases, occasionally interrupted by inserted transposable elements and tandem arrays of ribosomal RNA genes. Drosophila is unique among model organisms in presenting giant polytene chromosomes. There are about 5,000 polytene bands, most ranging in DNA content from 5 to 50 kilobase pairs, with an average DNA content of approximately 20 kb. The physical map of the Drosophila genome based on East artificial chromosomes ordered by in situ hybridization has been reported previously. The YAC map includes approximately 1200 clones with inserts averaging 200 kb that covers 90% of the euchromatic part of the genome. The fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster is used as a model organism to study disciplines ranging from fundamental genetics to the development of tissues and organs. Drosophila genome is 60% homologous to that of humans. Areas redundant and about 75% of the genes responsible for human diseases have homologs in flies. These features, together with a brief generation time, low maintenance costs, and the availability of powerful genetic tools, allow the fruit fly to be eligible to study complex pathways relevant in biomedical research, including cancer. So, I can conclude from the overall discussion that we know why Drosophila is one of the most important model organisms. Thank you.